everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a box of the 2020-2021 Panini Revolution Premier League Soccer. Each box comes with 8 packs and each pack comes with 5 cards. Let's get ripping. In terms of what's in this product, it's a very parallel heavy set. You're gonna get through galactics, your fractals, your orbitals. But I think the one that I'm really chasing is the KALEIDO parallel. I've seen some of those online right now. They look beautiful. And in terms of autographs, they come, I think like maybe like 1 every 2 boxes, sort of. So we're not guaranteeing autograph, but they do have some really big names though. So I think top names include like Cristiano Ronaldo or even David Beckham. So if we hit one of those, that would be amazing. So let's start off with pack 1. Pack number 1, we have Charlie Taylor. Then we have Ola Anna. Then what's this? Gabriel Jesus. This is backwards. This might be an image variation. Gabriel Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna sleeve that up just a bit. And then we have Connor Cody, Captains insert. And that is not numbered. And we have a Harry Maguire. That looks cool. What is this? Oh, this is the Infinite one. Yeah, this is a nice looking card. Okay, I'm gonna sleeve that Gabriel Jesus up just in case it's an image variation. Give me a quick second. And that Harry Maguire as well, Infinite Parallel. We have a nice start. Pack number 2. Pack number 2, we have Jordan Ayew. Then we have Matus Cliche. Then Jake Livermore. Okay, another one. Ooh. This one is Ben White. Rookie card. I think this is also an Infinite. Yes, Infinite as well. Nice looking card. And we're finishing off with Thiago Alcantara. This one is your Disco Parallel. It's a nice looking card. Pack number 3. We have Thomas Partey. Then we have Jan Bednarek. Then Luke Shaw. Okay, we have another flipped over card. Oh, we did hit an autograph. 5 of 10. Oh wow. Sunburst. A Raul Jimenez. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh wow. Oh, that is a beautiful card. And we're also ending off with a Harry Kane Disco as well. Not numbered, but oh yeah, let's go back to this card. Oh wow. Raul Jimenez. Damn, this is beautiful. Sunburst, 5 of 10. Beautiful, beautiful card right here. Let's get sleeved up right away. Okay, let's put him into the highlights pile. Oh, that's beautiful, beautiful. Let's see what else we can get from this box. Ooh, promising box, beautiful. So starting off with Yerry Mina. Then we have Trent Alexander-Arnold. Nice player. Then we have Tom Carney. Then we have a disco of Kanan Davis. Disco. And we're finishing off with an N'Golo and Conte. Is that fractal or orbital? Okay, let's put them here. Yep, that's a fractal. Nice one, nice one. Oh my god, okay, if this box has one of those Kaleido ones, then that just makes this one of the best boxes open. Beautiful, beautiful card. Next pack up, we have an Adam Webster. Then Semi Ajayi, rookie card. Then we have an Issa Diop. Then we have Futures, Diogo Jota. And, oh, just the Futures insert. Then we have a Map Target. This should be infinite as well, infinity. Yes, nice, nice card. Next we have Ben Chilwell. Then we have William, John Egan. Then we have an Edouard Mendy. That's a nice one. Yup, Edouard Mendy. And then we have a Nicolas Pepe. Should be disco as well. Yup, disco. Second to the last pack. Starting off with a Dominic Calvert-Lewin. Then we have a Sergio Aguero, no longer with Manchester City. Then we have a Pierre-Emile Holberg. Then we have Supersonic Kevin De Bruyne. That's a nice one as well. Then we're finishing off with a Gabriel Jesus. This is the Kaleido. Oh my goodness, is this numbered? Yes, it is. 27 out of 50. That is it. This box is amazing. Do you see that? When I move the card, the circles do move around. The Kaleido, Gabriel Jesus. Oh, this box is amazing, amazing. Okay, I gotta leave this one up first. Last pack. I can't ask for more. This has been an amazing break. We're starting off with Matthew Ryan, Dennis Praet. Then we have Martin Dubravka. Then Oliver McBurney. And we're finishing off with a Joel Linton. That's the disco. And then this one is just a regular. Let's do a quick recap of our hits today. So I'll definitely put that there. Let's just put that here. I definitely think that would be an image variation now. So definitely highlights from this break. So we have the image variation of the Gabriel Jesus, not numbered, but definitely a nice card. Then we also have the regular Gabriel de Jesus Kaleido parallel, definitely beautiful card. And we also got the Sunburst Raul Jimenez autograph, 5 out of 10. Beautiful, beautiful card. And there you have it. This is a box of the 2020-2021 Panini Revolution Soccer. If you like what you see, definitely drop a comment and also subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you, and see you next time.